Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Puddles the cat from Wreck-It Ralph. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat and his milkshake, let's first start by drawing the top of his head. So I'm going to come right here and just draw two little curves for a tuft of fur right on top of his head. And then from there I'm going to start to draw a big dumpling shape that I usually give to all my Draw So Cute characters. So it's just a big curve right at the top. And then I'm going to start to bring it down and widen it out at the cheeks. And start to bring it in. And towards the bottom, I'm going to connect it, and it's going to be a little bit flattened out. But for Puddles right here, I can't connect it yet. But if you're using a pencil, definitely connect it. But because there's a big milkshake we need to draw right there, I'm going to stop there for now. And then let's come back up here in this area, and we're going to draw his ears. So say about right here, I'm just going to come up, round off the tips, come back down, and draw another one inside. And same thing over here. So about right here and here. And we're just going to go up once again, round off the tip, and bring it down. And then draw the inside once again, just following the outside. There, get the cat ears in. Now let's bring Puddles to life. So about right here, towards the center, a little bit lower, we're going to draw his nose. So right in the middle. Oops. We're going to draw an oval for his nose. And then let's come down to a straight line in the center. And let's give Puddles here a sweet smile. So we're going to curve it up on both sides. And you can cap it off. And then let's come to the sides right here. We're going to draw his eyes. So his nose, come about right here. Draw a big circle for his eyes. And same thing on this side. So about right here. Okay, now let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So thank you for all the love for my drawing of Fun Bun, the bunny with the pancakes. So if I drew that one, I definitely had to draw Puddles here, the cat with his milkshake, right? It wouldn't be fair. So hopefully you guys loved this one just as much as Fun Bun. And the lines at the bottom. And so let's come to the top right here, and we're just going to draw a curve above the eye on both sides. And now let's come over here. We're going to draw two curves on the sides for some stripes. So about right there and here. Okay, now it's complete, and except I forgot. Let's draw a soft curve, above the nose. Okay, promise, now we're done. Now to draw the milkshake. So in this area right underneath his mouth, we're going to start right in the center, and we're going to start with a dollop of the milkshake. So really close to his mouth. Let's come out, and we're just going to draw the first dollop and connect it. So we're starting the milkshake, and then we're going to draw the second layer. So we're going to come out, and it's going to get wider. So on this side, if you're using a pencil, just finish that curve. But I can't do that because I can't erase, so I'm going to come right here and draw a straw that's coming out of my milkshake. And I'm going to finish this curve down, just like the other side, and connect it. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this straw. So I'm going to bend it down, about right here, bend it down, and follow and connect. And then in this area right here where it bends, I'm just going to add 2 angle lines, just for some details. Now let's draw this third layer. So let's come right here again, and we're going to draw a curve. It's getting wider and yummier, and then connect once again. So now that that's done, let's come out in this edge right here, and now we're going to start to draw the glass that's in the cup. So we're going to bring in 2 angle lines, and let's bring it down more. So we're just going to connect it kind of like a U right in the center. There, nice big milkshake. And at the bottom right here, just going to add a neck for our glass, and then connect it, and then the base. So just 2 curves that come down and connect. From there, I'm going to come up in this area right here and just add a cherry, a little stem, a little curve right there, and then a stem, just for some details. Now we can go ahead and finish off the head. So let's bring this in, whatever space you have left, and connect the head. Now let's see here. So we're going to come in this area here and draw. We're going to center the arms, the body. So about right there, I'm going to give myself 2 points. And from here, I'm going to bring it down on both sides. So I'll start on this side first. I'm just going to slightly angle this arm in towards about this area, and bring in a curve right here. Round it off. So same thing over here. So right here, so angle in a little bit. We're going to right there. And once again, same thing. Just a very simplified way to draw the arms, to make it look like it's holding the milkshake. And then now the feet. So right here, we're going to pop out the feet with a curve and bring it down. And back up. So then in this area, we're going to bring in 2 curves and the pad. So a curve right here and following the foot and connect. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across, approximate, and bring it in right there and up. And once again, same thing, 2 curves and following your foot, just draw the pad of the foot right there. And then in this area right here, we're just going to connect it with a curve. There. And now to bring the milkshake to life, right? So we're going to come to the edge right here and just follow our cup. So it makes it look like the milkshake is inside glass. Just going to give it a little edge And now to come in this area, we're going to draw 2 small circles. Do a little highlight and then shade it in. And same thing over here. And in between, we're going to give a happy, happy smile. And curve right above the eye. And let's see, anything else we're missing? That's pretty much it for this cute little Puddles the cat from Wreck-It Ralph with his milkshake. Hope I've inspired you to draw this too and you loved how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.